Hi guys, here are some interesting topics on honeycomb. This hive is made up of wax by the honeybees. These honeybees have five eyes, two large eyes, and three small eyes on each head. Do you know how honeybees will communicate with each other? These communicate with the vocal dance for the food and location purpose. Bees can fly up to 15 miles per hour. Only female worker bees will protect their hive. Do you know what? Bees can recognize human faces. Be careful, guys. In one bee's hive, one queen bee and the worker bees will collect the honey in those hexagonal shaped hive. This hexagonal shape will be perfect for the honey collection. Thank you.